Good morning, one and all. This is Gautami, and we are from Alexander team. We are glad to debate with Gandhi team on the topic money brings us happiness or love brings us happiness. I think love and happiness are like twins. They can never be separated. And love gives us happiness, and but money is like a passing cloud. Sometimes it won't be with us, and sometimes it will be with us. Even if you have enough love but have unlimited money, we can satisfy our needs with the money only, not with love. And if you don't have love and have unlimited money, we can happy with our life in some time. But only with money we cannot satisfy with our by having money. One cannot be successful because love plays a major role. Because if one is in a sad position, he needs to share his feelings with everyone. He has lots of money, so with money he can share his feelings, or he needs someone to console him.
But one of your friend has a problem. He wants you in need of money, but you show your love with her. How he solved their problem? But through money, she solved their problem. Is it right?
Through money, we can solve some of the problems, but through love, we can solve many of problems.
So many problems nowadays, and money plays a crucial role in our society.
Nowadays, money is playing a role in a bad way. Many of them, in search of money, are going there and leaving their parents. Suppose if you take a parents who need them, parents they think that they are sending money and that's enough. So, but that is not enough, right? Suppose in their old age, they need someone to take care of them with love. If they send money also, that's not enough. If you go to the new places and you don't know how the people they are, and we can only the money through we can stay there. Not only because of money. You can talk with them politely. If you talk with them with love, they try to show their places. The places they are having. If you have money, that's only not enough.
If you went to another state for a picnic, you lost your money, credit cards, all these things. How to come in this place? You will be loving TC. No, TC will not provide a seat in your train, and the conductor did not provide any seat in your bus. Through money only, the problem will be solved.
Through money, problem cannot be solved because it needs something. If you talk with the people politely, they can solve your problems.
But love is only a part in life, but the money is the oxygen in life.
Money is not an oxygen in life, because for getting money we need to treat the people with love. Love can't build your future. Only money can build your future. If money builds your future also, if you are working in an organization, you need to talk with the people politely and with love. If you behave with them rudely, they don't want to work with you. If you give them hundreds of crores of money also, they won't work with you.
For what we are working? We are working for money only.
Nowadays, no one is working for money. They need respect. Under level employee also needs respect. He also requires love from his superior employee or his manager.
But love cannot bring food to eat.
If you are in a position.
God creates money only for purpose. He cannot create relationships.
But you shouldn't get food by showing your love.
Yeah, that's right. Only money is only for purpose.
It is not for purpose. Definitely it requires.
Till your death, money will help you. Till your death. Due to money, in search of money, everyone is getting BP, blood pressure, and they are dying also.
But if you miss the guy who you most love, you show more affection on them. If you miss them, then also you will get depression on them. You will be sick. And also
the people who have that type of heart like that problems, they are dying.
But
Okay. Conclusion.
By seeing the background of other person, many people are going to close the friend, and they want to make friendship, and they are make relatives through money. Through money, give respect
But we feel that love is the only way to get closer to a person, and love makes